Morning world. It is Saturday. It's day 3 of our trip in Japan, and we have just checked out. We have our luggages. Cheryl's over there. She's gonna retrieve the car. I found this automated thing that's pretty cool actually. Oh, we've got a rubbish truck behind us. It is a great start to the morning. Alright, we gotta get the car and then get going. It's gonna be quite a busy day. Yes. It's very loud. I'll tell you more about it later. And there it is. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. First up, put my nonsense in the back, and then all right. Cold start of the day. The car's a bit cold inside now. All right, let's get things started. Ooh. I think the last few moments with the Type R. It has been a very enjoyable ride. What do you think?
I think it's very comfortable.
It has definitely been I've got a new respect for the car for sure.
Yeah, I feel it's like a day-to-day car.
Yeah.
So it's pretty good, but then if you want it to go fast, you can.
Right.
Yeah.
Hondas be Hondas though. And
That's true.
yeah, so we are headed to Omoren now. From Okayama, we're gonna go to the Kainan area to drop the car off, but not yet because we have to go and grab our breakfast first. So we're just gonna do that, and then hopefully there's enough time for me to do a walk around for the car before we leave. That'll be awesome.
Let's do it.
Yeah. We have stopped along the side of a, I don't know, what's this? To a Lawson's to see if we can potentially find breakfast here, because most of the breakfast places that we passed isn't really open at, what's the time now, 8+ in the morning. Why are they not open at 8+ in the morning? See, that's one of the reasons why Singapore has mee pok. Almost as in when. But still, let's see what kind of food they got. Ooh, they've got karage, man.
Oh yeah.
So they've got stuff like that.
Croquette.
And croquette. And ooh, I've got a whole selection of cup noodles here, which works for me. Yeah, I don't see why not. Maybe. Okay. Cheryl has decided, no, we is not eat. We is not eat in Lawson. So we are not gonna eat in Lawson. Okay, great. Let's head off then. Back onto the road. Back to our journey. And sending back the car and finding breakfast.
And petrol.
And petrol. We've got to find the petrol kiosk as well. We have found ourselves at another stop, and this time it's Mossburger desu! Oh wait, hang on, that's the logo. Mossburger desu! Yay! We have arrived! Yay! Moss breakfast! Cheryl went for the hotdog. And that's the corn soup. It comes in a proper cup.
Yeah, I like how they all come in like proper glassware.
Not like Singapore. So much for recycling. And I've got my beef katsu demi-glazed burger.
I think it's a new item.
Okay, let's go, let's dig in. Alright, so I finished breakfast early, and now I just want to show you guys a quick walkthrough for the car. because that's what we did the Evo, and I think you guys would love it too if we showed you a walkthrough for the Civic Type R FD2. So this one that we rented from Omoren, Okayama, is still fairly pretty much stock. They have the stock Brambos, the stock rims, which supposed to be. They have Goodyear Eagles on the as the tires rather. And then let's show you guys really quickly. So you have the push over here for your fuel catch and pull for your boot. I'm gonna pull that for the boot to show you guys that. Over here, show you guys the hood as well. And of course they do have stock pedals, but we'll get to that in a moment as well. Just want to show you this. Where's the catch? Hang on. There we go. Alright. And there we have it. This is the K20A. There's an open hot air filter. Over here on this front, there's a switched out radiator cap as well. I'm not sure if that's stock though. I don't think it's stock. Other than that, there's nothing else that I see that's out of the ordinary that at least I do not know about. But go ahead and pause the video if you think that there's something that I missed out from looking at the engine bay for this car. But other than that, it is brilliant. Look at that. Wow. The other interesting thing is kind of like the boot. So here's the back of the car, which looks mad awesome as well. But the boot, we've got a spoiler. This one here is the stock spoiler as well. Is this adjustable? I'm not sure. Probably. Type R badge. Oh, there is also a Feels exhaust mounted on here with some pipe insert. And look at this, guys. The boot is fantastic. The boot fits both our luggages side by side, like flat down. That is so impressive. The F10 5 series rather can't do this. One of the luggages has to be standing up. Not to mention the Minis definitely cannot have two of our luggages in the boot at the same time. Even might I add, the Evo also can't have two luggages. We brought the two exact same luggages to drive the Evo 8, no. Anyway, the back seats, as you can see, check it out, pretty nice stuff. I love the Alcantara feel for the seats though. Sweet Alcantara feel. There's enough leg room, of course, and that's pretty much that for the back seats. Let me just get onto the front and just show it to you and show more of the car to you guys. We got your usual buttons and switches over here. I'm gonna just get into the car. We have the very beautiful Type R badge in front of us. The steering wheel, it's very nice in terms of its size, the feel of it, and that's pretty awesome actually. We have on the side, of course, your key slot, the turn indicator signals, your wiper switches, the Type R tachometers in front. Everything glows red once you start the car up. On the center console, we have our navigation unit. We have a little bit of aircon switches over here, the hazard light button, aircon switches. There's a lot of spaces to put your stuff actually. Look at this. You have a coin slot here, but I don't. When I'm driving this, I actually put my wallet there instead. You have your cigarette lighter. This is a little slot to put stuff. I put all the what's that? The receipts from the tolls over there. And there's a Type R number over here. I'm not sure what this number stands for. It could be production numbers. I'm not sure, man. I put more coins here. As you can see, our drinks here. There's a glove compartment over here in the center. We have over here the Type R seats that are Alcantara as well. Very nice. Cheryl really loves these seats actually. The gear shifter, this one here is stock, and as you can see, it's pretty worn already, and it's pretty cool because it is a cold weather here in Japan, and when I hold the gear shifter at night especially, it is cold. I can't imagine though. holding the gear shifter on a hot day, you would burn your hand, which I presume happens. Yeah, let's see what else we have. We do have the ETC card controller here. Oh, the ETC card thingy here, the slot where you put the ETC card. And of course a pivot throttle controller. And you can see the pedals below. Can we see it, guys? Over there we do have the 3 stock pedals. We have the footrest here. The clutch travel is okay, it's not too bad. It's not as stiff as the Evos. Brake feel is okay, and of course we have a floor up pedal kind of thing. Let me just again start up the car to show you guys. There we go. This is something you gotta love, man. Oh, I love that though. It's nice, and that's pretty much that for this. The gear shift, if I'm to be honest, it is okay. The travel could be shorter if I'm honest, but generally, it's okay. I have not much complaints. I have not gone into a wrong gear throughout driving this so far. Not that I should actually. That's not a good thing, getting into the wrong gear. But yes, that's pretty much it. Let me just show you one last bit very quickly. I almost jabbed the lens there. Looking at the dash here, we do have our speedometer reading, so the speed would actually show there. The fuel gauge is there, and here we do have a rev limiter, rev lights actually. So the lights will actually like light up as you rev up the rev range and pass VTEC. So VTEC opens about 6,000, 7,000 RPM. Oh, but the song it sings though, it's fantastic. And then of course you have your what's that, the temperature, water temperature over there. That is pretty much it for my quick tour of the Honda Civic Type R, interior and exterior. It's just a quick tour. We have lots of stuff else to film today, so I guess I won't bore you out with more car stuff, but I really enjoyed driving this one. I think it's been a hell of a ride. I don't think I'm not sure, man. I would want one myself in Singapore, so someday maybe. Fingers crossed. Love the car. Let's go.
Okay, I like this.
There's a camera here.
Slow down.
It's like a Singapore, you know?
Yeah. It's only one thing that will keep drivers at bay.
Yeah. Oh, the VTEC sounds badass, man. Wherever you are, though.
It pretty much is.
Yeah. Ooh, got to love the VTEC. I'm gonna miss the VTEC.
Yeah.
So much.
I'm gonna miss Japan.
So much. Oh yes. That too. Thailand. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And we're done. Very thankful for that uncle for helping us.
Yeah, everything's so automated though.
Yeah. As in,
Thankfully, there's still someone in there.
No, as in, we know roughly, but the way Singapore pumps work and this one,
Yeah, it's very different.
because it's so automated. You have to press, and
There's
then
all the different
and
oils.
all the selections are not in Japanese.
And the oil prices.
That's the thing. Anyway,
Yeah.
our gas here cost 2,720 yen.
It's about
30 something.
30 something?
That's for a
half tank. Yeah.
Which is okay actually. I think it's a.
How many liters is that?
I'm not sure. Let me see. It does not say, does it? 17 liters. Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So that's alright. I think not bad. Anyway, we are heading up to Kainan already. If you can see the sign properly. Don't know.
Return the car.
Yeah, return the car. It is the last driving back. What an eventful morning.
Yeah.
We've got
Good thing you got out early, man.
Yeah.
It took a while.
okay. Okay.
There you go.
Omoren, we are here.
Your destination is on the left.
So sad.
Yeah.
We're gonna send the car back.
There you go. Oh.
Wow. Looks like someone's renting the Evo.
Good choice.
Good choice. Aha.
There. Not here.
Yeah. Oh, it's an Evo. This guy has rented an Evo Evo 7. I don't know if we should do a 3-point for him. We could.
Whatever gives him more time in the car, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Top tip for renting a car, you
Yep.
can bring one of those to mount your like iPhones or
Your phones,
Androids.
your mobile, yeah.
So you can GPS.
It's important actually,
Yeah,
because
it doesn't come with, so you gotta bring your own.
Yeah. Yeah, Evo's quite nice though.
Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
There we go, that's the Evo. Oh, it's the same plate number. All of them are same plate numbers.
Wow.
Man. I just realized that.
It's just the first like character that's different, I think.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, that
Okay.
is it. Thank you, FD2R. You have been a blast to drive.
Yeah, it was so comfortable in the
Yeah.
passenger seat.
I do hope that we get to buy one in the future in Singapore. I think this is worthy of a purchase in Singapore.
It's practical at least.
It is practical.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay, well, that brings us to the end. Let's make sure everything is taken out of the car. Always remember to take your stuff out of the car after rental. Oh, this is the one Cheryl's talking about. And also like stuff like that.
Oh yeah, that one
so
too.
the charger, the cable, and the phone holder. This ensures that
You have a smooth ride.
yeah, exactly. And your phone is charged so that your GPS is working all the time.
Yeah, I remember the previous time I had to do the navigation. It was, yeah. Not the smoothest.
Not the smoothest. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the FD2R part of the vlogs as well.
We did. Bye.
Integra, the NC, and the WRX. And then that dude's renting the Evo. Nice. Okay, guess who's trying the Koji again? Come on, go one.
Leftover.
Leftover birthday luck.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2.
D is the curry. She gets one of these, which is the curry. Curry. Is it? Okay, so it's pretty much just
I think it's the
Zelda
food.
curry, yeah.
That's so cool.
Okay.
Okay, try this in Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Kurashiki train. Whoa. You get it?
It's a terrible picture.
Oh no. Wow. We are on the limited express to Okayama. We are standing because there's no seats and there's nowhere to put our huge ass luggages.
Yeah.
So the train conductor is over there. He probably will come over and be like, "What the hell, you all standing up? What are you doing?" And we'll be kicked off the train mid-train. Mid-journey.
So Kurashio's train, which is like express train that goes from Hainan to Wakayama to I think Shin Osaka. We're lucky enough to catch it so much faster. But look at this beast. JR run, conductor over there. There you go. Bye.
If you can, next time try to take the express trains. 'Cause
Yeah.
they cut straight down. Anyways, we are going to Kishi Where if you can
Look
see
at
on the
that.
line board, there's a cat there.
That's
There's a Tama
Tamani.
train. Yeah.
Tama is a cat.
Alright, let's make our way through the
Kishikawa line. Can't wait.
Oh, actually.
Uh-huh.
Oh wow, look at this gear. Pretty cool. That's Japanese efficiency for you. Anyways, we're going to the Tama, the Kishi line. Yeah, let's go. I don't know what else to say. Alright, we've got our put our bags into the lockers. Top tip, if you're traveling, just put them into the lockers.
I'm so worried I couldn't go in, but it's big enough.
That's what she said.
Hey. It's 700 yen for one of these big ones. Make sure you have enough coins.
Yeah, man. So if you want to get to the Kishi Station, it's the Wakayama Electric Railway Kishigawa line, and you can see Tamani here. Cheryl's enjoying herself really. The whole step up is all littered with the paw prints and all the prints of the cats on the wall. Yeah. Oh man, the squirrel's making off with the acorn.
Not the cat's eating. Look at that.
Wow. He's everywhere, isn't he?
This is the Tama station.
Oh yeah. And this is the Tama Densha, which is the cat train, which Cheryl over there is very pleased about. Oh, look at that, she's so happy. Tama Den, look at his butt, man. So that's pretty much the train. So there's, I think, oh, okay, so let's just go in and check it out. Look at that, there's different floorings. Oh wow. Yeah, everything. The seats. Oh, and there's like Tama merch here as well, but we'll probably get some later. Oh, Cheryl's taking a picture of the design of the train stuff on the walls. And then Station Master Tama. That's pretty much it really, and there's books on the wall.
The seats are so cute.
Okay, done, let's go. Oh, this is the memorial for the first Tama. Oh look, there's a spot for a cat there.
Tama rides sometimes.
Maybe. Oh no, spamming. This is the first time in the whole trip that she take picture properly. Bye bye Tama train. Again, this is how it looks like. Ooh.
It's got ears.
Oh yeah, it does. Anyways, we are here at Kishi Station. Oh, Cheryl does not know that there is a warning sign here to say careful for the caterpies and the beedrills. Oh, but this is the memorial for Tama. So Tama, the first cat, has passed away quite some years back already though.
Yeah.
And then so there's like a memorial here for it.
So nice.
Yeah.
The statues by the side.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, I think we can only... I'll zoom in for you guys. There we go.
I think it was a fat cat.
Oh dear. Yeah. But oh, do you want to take a picture of this? Okay, so this here is Kishi Station. There's a Tama museum. It's so packed. My god, we love Tama. Oh, we do. I like Tamago though. It's good. Oh, there's a merch store over on that side. And then there's... That's the original Tama.
I think this is also the original
Really?
Tama.
Okay.
Oh, look at all the Tamas.
Oh dear. It's something so cute. And then there's that over there. So this here is Tama's. Oh, there he is. He's sleeping. No flash. He's so It's the Super Station Master Ni Tama. So this is the second one. He's so cute. Okay, well.
There's a very nice like
Oh wow.
towel on the floor.
Yeah, it's a nice towel on the floor. Cool. There's a Tama Cafe as well. So let me just show you guys that really quickly. Sorry, excuse me. So it features the same decor as you get in the train and Tama merch, which we all know that some of us might spend a lot of money on. Just saying. Ooh, this is nice. The tumbler is nice. We've got Tama t-shirts. Ooh, that's like the Tama. There's a headphone, earphone accessory. There is more. And then we've got what's the offering? Good luck. It's Omoren.
Yeah,
Charm.
Tama charm.
Tama charm.
Oh, this is so nice. Look at that. So expensive.
Wait,
though.
hang on. Let me. Oh, wow.
Oh.
They really do know how to. Oh, there's a pin.
Ah, this is so nice.
Yeah.
And they have it in different poses.
It says it's a budge.
But
Do you want a budge? And there's a Tama washi tape, which some of us might get.
oh, there's the actual Tama train.
Okay, I mean that's not so bad, I guess.
Yeah.
The towel. What's this? Blotting paper, memo book, more badges. Wow. I might get myself some badge. A postcard. Ooh.
Tama for like all year round.
Yeah. Okay, okay. And there. And there's more merch here. It is super packed inside. Like super. Okay, let's see what else merch there are. Wow. There is. What are these? Oh, it's the rice cracker kind of thing. Cookies.
There's repeated stuff from the other side.
Right. There's like the larger charms actually, right? These are the larger ones.
Oh, I love the poster.
More charms. There are mugs on this side. Gumdrops. There are postcards. Oh, books. Oh, this is like the kind of thing, you know? Right?
Yeah. Handsome, look at this.
Oh, great. Shrines. Stuffed Tama. Magnets. Oh, badge! There's a ring as well. More badges. Oh wow, there's 3 different types of badge. Stickers? Oh,
Oh, stickers are nice.
yeah, they are nice. There's the goodies all on the center. All around the center. And then, oh, it's just too packed here, guys. Oh, there's more shirts over there, so we might just check that out. Folders, badges. That looks freaky, man.
Yeah. Oh, it's a pink color one.
Ooh.
Pink shirt. Oh, that's a Ni Tama.
Yeah.
Not the
There's different
first
types
Tama.
of shirts. There are. Nice.
Nice.
Okay. There we go. That's how the shirts look like.
It's dry fit. Hey, no, that one is it?
Ni Tama is yeah, it's a type of. What's this though? And then there's that. Look who is sleeping here. It's Ni Tama. He's just chilling. Okay. Alright, bye bye Ni Tama. Anyway, this one here is a Tama Densha, which is a
Toy train?
is it a toy train? Yeah, maybe. Also, it looks like the strawberry logo though. It's not as haps as the Tama train,
Yeah.
but it'll work. Oh yeah, it is a toy train. So there are like toy stuff over here, and then more toy stuff over here. Stuff to take your money over here. Yeah.
There is like
Gachas.
Omoren, like gacha.
Oh wow. Wow. Oh no.
Oh no, we don't have coins. Do we have coins?
Oh no, we don't. Okay, Cheryl managed to find some coins, and we're gonna get this badge. Oh, which one do you want? Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, yeah. Hopefully we get the colorful one. If not, it's mine.
Hey. It goes Omo.
Oma.
And yeah.
Oh, nice! You got it. Woo! This is what torture is gonna look like.
He's gonna like it.
Nope.
If he doesn't like it, I'm gonna like it. It sounds like torture.
Yeah.
Ah, I got this one. I like this. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Ramsey Bolton. We finally meant. Oh, yes, I got that from the 7-Eleven. Anyway, we are on the Kuroshio train. We've got our bento boxes. It was quite a rush to get
Yeah, the
here.
cashier was down, so she couldn't dispense us the change.
Bento boxes. Yes, and then
There's a microwave.
yeah, so we're gonna eat on the train before heading to Osaka Station, then changing to Okayama.
So we took the express train and we couldn't get a reserve seat, so they told us to go queue at the front of the train. So if you're early, go and queue so that you have a higher chance to get a better seat.
Yes, and also bento food. We have arrived at Shin Osaka. Look at that, Shinkansen area to be over there. So we are going to... Oh, what's that? It's a Daihatsu something. Car. You see that? K-car or something like that. Anyway. Oh.
Right?
And that is the N700 Nozomi. Ooh. Nice. So we finally made it to the train.
By the way, non-reserved seats for the Nozomi is on cabin 1, 2 and 3. So push all the way there.
Yeah. So it's quite far down actually.
Yeah, it's very far down.
The Shinkansen.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
I can see the head.
yeah. But then again, we're not sure if for all trains it's also what the train. Yeah, always yeah.
Looks like pretty packed.
Uh-oh. Let's hope not. So we took to a line at Okayama. That'll be our last stop. So not really actually. Okayama, check in and then head to Kurashiki, which is another place near but not near kind of thing. So we'll see. We are at Okayama already.
Yeah.
Finally checked in after a little scare because our good friend here has decided that she might have lost her passport.
What's a trip without a little bit of excitement, right?
Too many excitements is not fun. Okay, in any case, now we are headed to the train station. Finally able to catch a breather, and we are going to head to Kurashiki. Although right now it's about 5 PM, the sun is about to set soon, and we're not too sure if it's the right time to travel to Kurashiki. But anyways, we'll still check that out anyways. Yeah.
Maybe
so,
for dinner.
Maybe. Yeah, but we're just gonna head there and check it out. But in any case, Okayama seems pretty interesting, although we're only going to be here for a very short amount of time.
Yeah, it seems more bustling than Okayama, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. But the difference that I realized was also that for example, after we left Wakayama and we arrived in Shin Osaka Station, the vibe was so different really.
Yeah.
Like in Shin Osaka, like everybody was running around, everybody was doing stuff, rushing for their trains and stuff. Completely different from like Wakayama.
Yeah.
With everyone being chill and all. Yeah. But in any case, let's head to Kurashiki. We are finally here at Kurashiki. This is called Bikan Historical Quarter. The history of which escapes me. Yeah, it's just cool to walk down this kind of very old school looking lane and stuff. Yeah, it is.
For tourism.
And I think one thing that is pretty cool about the place as well is the architecture of stuff that they want to bring. Ew, doggo!
Oh, doggo!
There's a Goldie in front. Hey, Goldie!
Fun.
Yeah, Goldies are nice.
Yeah. Like cool.
Okay, anyway. Yeah, so like we were saying. Oh, so there's a lot of just stalls that's just lining the streets. And
like the
ogre stall.
ogre.
Yeah, so we're gonna just explore randomly and stuff. Yeah, we'll probably vlog if there's anything interesting coming up. If not,
Dinner maybe?
dinner maybe. But either ways, if you are interested, it is a couple of stops away from Okayama. You gotta take a train out here and it's Kurashiki Station. You could take the other train to Shin Kurashiki, but this one, taking the Kurashiki Station is better because you get to walk through a shopping alley before coming here. Although we have to say that the shopping alley is a little bit underwhelming.
Yeah, there's only a couple like old school stores.
Right.
And a lot of clothing stores that's quite dated. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, this is very nice though.
Yeah.
Look at this kind of views.
How's coming though?
Yeah. No. Ooh, there's like a ramen kind of place, I guess. I don't know, noodles? Oh, sorry, thank you. He was behind us all along. It was just him. Haha. Anyhow, press people's tip box. He takes nothing. Ooh, hot soba. Yeah. Nice, nice. And I get the ramen with this dipping soup thingy.
I thought it was not the one.
Cheryl is still finding for a spoon.
Yeah.
Looking for a spoon. Alright, we are done with dinner. It's actually not bad though, this one.
It's
This
pretty tasty.
土手虾腩. 土手虾腩. It's not bad. So if you're ever considering and you're here right by the river area, which is there, yeah, you can actually just think of trying this one out. The tsukumen
Yeah.
is not bad, so I had that. Cheryl had the soba.
It's decent. They had bonito flakes in there, which was a nice touch to it.
Okay. So yeah, now you know. Now you know.
Affordable as well.
Yeah, it's a pretty affordable price for two people. I think it was for 10 odd,
Yen. That
10 odd Sing dollars, 10
yeah.
plus, which is fine
Yeah.
for Japanese cost. So yeah, right now I guess we're gonna head back.
It's really dark.
Cause yeah, top tip of the day: if you come to Kurashiki, don't come after 5. No.
Do everything
Things
before
are
the sun
closed.
sets.
Yeah. But okay, it was a very packed day for us, so
Yeah.
I guess that works. Alright, back to the station. We have returned to Okayama from Kurashiki. And Cheryl has just learned new things about her boyfriend.
Yes.
That he is so handsome.
Actually, I learned that only now, right?
We are at the Pokemon store at Okayama.
I saw this elsewhere.
Really?
At the PIX as well.
All the Pokemon stuff. It's pretty small though, this store, compared to the rest. But they do have an exclusive here, which is this one, which I presume is exclusive to the Okayama prefecture, because that's kind of like the peach thing. And as we can see on the wall here, he's decked out in like the peach costume. So yeah, Pokemon store. We gotta rush and get Cheryl's cake soon. Cheryl's got a voucher that we got from the JTB that allows us to come here to this hotel. for a particular parfait. A particular parfait. Ooh.
It says muscat
Muscat
parfait.
parfait. There's grapes though.
Yeah, muscat
Which is
grapes.
what? Oh, oh yeah, that's
White
true.
grapes.
I knew that. Which is what Okayama is famous for as well. The
so
grapes,
it's a seasonal parfait.
but not the peach.
Not peach yet.
Okay, enjoy. Thank. What?
Here's the charger, please.
Okay.
Oh, never mind, I got my own charger.
Okay. Thank you all for watching today's vlog. I will catch you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be another long day tomorrow, so we will see you then. Bye bye.